Just a quick video after I migrated to QReader 7.5, which has a lot of things regarding QNI. My good friend Josh Morin asked me to do a video about these and other features that we will be releasing soon. So here, as you can see, we have a couple of flows that came from the QNI interface. And if we take a look at them, and we made this search with these specific columns, well, when we look at it, not only it is great the things that it finds. So for example, in here, even though this is all encrypted with TLS 1.3, we still get the SNI in here, and we get JA3 client and server hashes, and I have done videos that explains the value of it. But basically, is even though I don't have means of decrypting this, I have not been able to do man in the middle, I still can get very unique information about it. So, but in the past, you needed to actually grab these and go to X-Force or VirusTotal or whatever and look for the data. Now there's a navigation aspect of it that when you click in it, you are actually sent directly to the X-Force, and you can actually see from here the data regarding that IOC, which is pretty cool. In fact, if we grab this URL, actually grab it and contrast this with VirusTotal. No need to go to VirusTotal in here, but I'm just doing it as a comparison. VirusTotal. Let's go here and paste that URL. We should get equivalent information. This is definitely phishing. Nothing more to show in the video, just an aspect of the ease of navigation. But just clicking, and you'll actually see underlined, so means that you can actually click and get straight into the X-Force to see the details of that particular IOC. And of course, you can have the rules and all the rest of the QReader things working along this.